frozen music discovers the high notes of architecture around the globe. Today we travel to China to explore a development with breathtaking scale and personality, Raffles City, Kongqin. This development is unmissable, even from a distance. At the tip of the land, where the rivers Yangtze and Jialing meet, it stands out as a symbol of the city, making a strong impression from every angle, but especially from the water. Designing and creating this million-square-meter project was an immense responsibility. The architect who took it on was Moshe Safdie, who is behind world-renowned projects like Singapore's Jewel Changi Airport, the Marina Bay Sands Hotel, and the Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art. Moshe said that there is a misconception that architecture is about eureka moments, when really it is a long-term job, constantly developing and improving ideas from the first sketch through every stage until completion. For Raffles City, Kongqin, Moshe did this for nearly a decade. The result is a striking complex with 8 towers, 2 of them over 350 meters tall, and a horizontal skyscraper called the Crystal. The overall design evokes the city's rich history, with the north elevation curved like billowing sails and the 300-meter sky bridge acting like the crossbeam in the ancient city gate. The location, Chaochenmen Square, was once the imperial entrance to Kongqin. Today it is still known as the starting point for urban explorers. Moshe knew that the project needed to enhance the square's symbolic importance, making it the gateway to the city from the rivers and the gateway to the rivers from land. From above, you enjoy 270-degree views of the rivers and the mountains beyond. The site is oriented within the city grid, with interior streets running north to south, an innovative traffic redirection system, and a transit hub combining subway, bus, and ferry terminals. Despite all these modes of transport, Raffles City never forgets the needs of pedestrians. With many access points and walkways at different levels, it is easy to get around between offices, hotels, apartments, and recreational facilities. Parks and natural spaces mean you are never far from greenery, even when you are 250 meters above the ground. The Crystal is a sky conservatory connecting 4 of the towers with public amenities including gardens, swimming pools, restaurants, hotel lobbies, and an observatory with a glass-bottomed viewing deck. Its construction and shading system allow it to withstand the local climate year-round. Moshe said that in a city where high-rise buildings dominate, it no longer makes sense for all the public landscapes to be on the ground. They should be close to people at many levels. With this in mind, the Crystal is not just for show. It truly supports the people who live and visit here. Described as an engineering marvel by the press and awarded LEED CS pre-certification Gold, Raffles City uses advanced technologies that lower its environmental impact, from district heating to heat recovery, high-efficiency lighting, daylight sensors, and rainwater harvesting. As part of this, thousands of ABB electrification products, including circuit breakers, surge protectors, and contactors, work to preserve a reliable power supply across this huge development and avoid energy spikes. It is a joy to see Raffles City, Kongqin come to life. It provides so much inspiration to residents, workers, tourists, and to the wider world whose eyes are now on this Chinese city. By some definitions, Kongqin is the largest city in the world, but it is often overlooked compared to Beijing or Shanghai. With Raffles City complete, that could be about to change. Moshe said, "It is like an announcement to the world. We have arrived." Thank you for watching. To catch every episode, just subscribe to our newsletter. I'm Katrin Förster and hope to see you next time. Stay safe.